Hey there, future farmers! Danny the dog here, and I'm so excited to show you how to grow your very own super tasty vegetables. It's easier than you think. Let's get our paws dirty. First up, let's pick the perfect home for our veggies. You need a spot that gets lots of sunshine, at least 6 hours a day. Plants love sunbathing. Then, we need some fluffy, nutrient-rich soil. Think of it as a superfood smoothie for our seeds. Adding some compost is like giving them extra vitamins. Now for the super fun part, planting. Check your seed packet to see how deep they need to go. A good rule is to plant them about twice as deep as they are wide. Give them some personal space. Don't crowd them. Once they're tucked in, give them their first gentle shower of water. Ah, refreshing! To grow big and strong, our little green buddies need daily care. Water them a little bit every day. Usually in the morning is best. Keep an eye out for pesky weeds that try to steal their food and water. We gotta pull those out. You can do it. Oh! Sometimes little bugs might want to snack on your leaves. But don't worry. We can ask our ladybug friends for help or gently shoo them away. No harsh chemicals needed here. Just good old garden dog watchfulness. Look, after a few weeks of love and care, it's harvest time. This is the best reward. See these bright red tomatoes and crunchy carrots? Gently pick them from the plant. Wow, they look amazing. You did it. Now you have a basket full of delicious, healthy, homegrown veggies. Nothing tastes better than food you've grown yourself. It's a garden party. Now let's do the happy veggie dance. Woof woof!